Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X6a, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so that is already open and visible on my display. Anyway, once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have this kind of animation right here with the screenshot being visible in the corner, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. And we're going to navigate to Library and Screenshots. And here you can see we have a bunch of screenshots, also screen recordings, but here's the one that I've just captured. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.